Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer USDT from Gemini to Binance in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step process will help you move your assets securely and efficiently. USDT, or Tether, is a stablecoin that's super popular for transfers because it holds its value steady against the US dollar. By the end of this video, you'll have your USDT safely on Binance, ready for trading or staking. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Gemini and Binance. You'll need some USDT in your Gemini wallet to transfer. Always double-check that your accounts are verified and secure. Crypto transfers are irreversible, so safety is key. Step 1. Log into your Gemini account. Head over to the dashboard and navigate to the Withdraw or Transfer section. Select USDT from your list of assets. Now, you'll need to choose the right network. For USDT, common options are Ethereum, ERC20, or Tron, TRC20. Pick the one that matches what Binance supports to avoid any issues. Binance typically works well with ERC20 for USDT. Step 2. Get your Binance wallet address. Log into Binance, go to your wallet, and find the deposit option for USDT. Copy the wallet address carefully, and note the network it's on. Paste this address into the withdrawal form on Gemini. Double-check everything to prevent sending funds to the wrong place. That could mean lost money. Step 3. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Gemini might ask for a withdrawal fee, so factor that in. Review all the details one last time, then confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation email or notification once it's processed. After that, head back to Binance and check your wallet. It might take a few minutes to an hour for the transfer to show up, depending on network congestion. Once it's there, you're good to go. A quick tip. Always use two-factor authentication on both platforms to protect your assets. And remember, crypto markets can be volatile, so plan your transfers wisely. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.